we will denote it as a main method. Okay, so every home will be having like a main door, right? So the people will get into the house. So in the same way, if I want to start any project, any program, then I need one entry point to enter into. Okay, so that is nothing but in Java, that is a main method. And methods are also called as a functions. Okay, so this is the entry point. So whatever we want to start, then we can start from here. So I'm going to create one package. So are you aware about package in Java? Packages?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's create one class like a class A having I'm writing some methods. Okay. Just calculations. Okay.
Mhm.
So I'm writing one method called addition of two numbers, right? Number 1 comma number 2. Okay, so please let me know if you don't know anything.
Yeah, sure.
Don't need to learn about return
Okay,
statement.
fine. So this is like a one method addition, so it is returning addition of two numbers. Okay, now I wanted to call from this main method. Do you know about creating objects and all?
Yeah, class name,
Yeah.
variable is good. New class.
No. If I want to call this method, how I will do? I wanted to do addition of two numbers from first class demo. So how can I do? Can you tell me?
We have to create an object to call a method.
Yeah, we need to call a method, but how? Can you tell me the steps?
It's
Okay,
object dot
object dot
Method name.
object dot
Method name.
a method name is addition. Then
Parentheses.
okay,
Semicolon.
1 2 3 comma 4 5 6.
Mhm.
Will it work?
No, we have to initiate.
Could you come again?
We have to initiate that object, am I right?
Which object?
In the class method, we have to take the variables.
Okay,
Wait, no.
this is the class A.
Mhm.
Okay, can you tell me the code? How to write? Can we use a new keyword?
Yeah.
Okay, like this. Like this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. like this.
Yeah, first class demo, like that. It's not class here.
Then first class demo, okay.
And object name and new.
Okay, now we'll say object 2. Okay, then do I need to use this reference to call addition?
We have to write addition method.
No. See, the first class addition, we have, sorry, not first class, the A class method I need to call from first class demo. It is not required, right? To call A class methods. See, let me print this one. See, I'm adding 50, 40. Addition of 50 and 40. This is 90. So let's forget about this object. So we are calling A class addition method from first class demo. So are you aware about these things? In this way, we can call any method by creating object of that class. And if we are creating object of A class, then we can access all the methods which are present in A class. Are you aware about this?
Yes.
No? Mandeep and Josna.
Yes.
Okay. Then, okay. So these are the a method callings, okay, in Java. Now we will, are you aware about inheritance in Java? Uh, are you ever heard about inheritance?
I've heard, but we need to polish up that.
Okay, fine. Now I'm creating one parent class, okay? The class name is parent, okay? Now I'm creating one more class called child, okay? So inheritance means, so whatever methods are present inside the superclass, those by default available to the a base class or a derived class. Okay, what I'm doing in the child class, I'm going to write child class extends
Yes.
parent. Okay, this means, let me show you the example, the same example I will tell you. I'm copying addition and placing here. Okay. Now I will create one operation class. Or main class I will Just forget about A class. I'm going to delete it because you are aware about it. Now we have a parent class, child class, and main class. Okay. Now inside parent class, we have a addition method, right? I want to call that. Okay. What I will do, I will create new parent object. Okay. Now I wanted to call addition method. Okay. Addition of 20 and 30. Now I want to print this. Okay. Addition, and it's returning. Okay. Now I wanted to print this result. Okay. So what will be the output? 50, right? Okay. This is the one way. Okay. Now I wanted to call same addition method from child class. Is that possible?
No.
Let's see. I'm creating object of child class. Okay. Let me show you once again. So inside child class, no method is present. Okay. I'm going back to main class. Now child, I have created object of child class. Now addition of 10 and 20. Okay. Result 2. Okay. Now I'm going to print. Now I'm going to print result 2. Okay. See the output result 1. Result 1 is 50. So you will get a clear understanding. See, this in line number 7 to 9, what we are doing, we have created parent class object and we are calling addition method, which is already present in parent class, and we are able to do the addition of two integers. Okay, this is you understood, right? Now at line number 11, what we are doing, we just created object of child class, and with the child class reference we have called addition method, and there are no method present in child class, but still we can able to call addition method and we can do addition of two integers and we are getting expected result as well. Okay. Now I'm going to do some code changes. So let me remove this extend parent. Now I saved it. Now I'm going back to main class. See here it is saying there are no addition method defined in child class. See, you know about parenting and child relation, right? So whatever our parents having, so by default, their kids also they can own it, right? If they are staying in their parent home means the child having the same home. Okay, so we whatever we write in parent class and we are extending it from the child class, then by default, whatever methods, variables are present in parent class, that will be accessible in child class as well. So that is nothing but inheritance concept in Java. Okay, are you clear about this?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now, okay, do you know about method overloading? Hello?
I know theoretically, but not practically.
Okay, then we'll go with the practical. First, we will see overloading, then we will go with the overriding. Okay, now, so can you tell me what I'm doing here in addition method? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, what I'm doing in addition method?
Adding two numbers.
Yes, correct. Okay, now I wanted to add I wanted to sum of three numbers. So what should I do? Can you tell me? Then I can go with the same. Can you tell me? I wanted to sum of three numbers. That is my requirement. What should I do?
In the parenthesis, you have to add int number 3.
Okay, let me create newly. So, okay, let's add here.
Mhm.
So, does it making any new efforts by adding this new parenthesis to existing code? See, I have to change this method as well and this method as well because of I have just added a new parenthesis to existing method. Will it creating any additional efforts to do my code changes? Yes
Yeah.
or no?
Yes.
Yes, right?
Mhm.
Now I don't want to do any additional efforts. I don't want change my existing code. Then what should I do?
You have to create another method which takes 3 parameters. Or
Oh,
number 3.
okay. I will create with
Mhm.
three parentheses. Okay.
Sir, I need to step away for like 2 minutes. I'll be right back. You can carry
Sure.
on. I'll watch the video as well.
Yeah. Okay. So now we have created a same addition method with three arguments.
Mhm.
Okay. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. So we can see here if I add a same method with the same argument again, then Java won't accept. Okay. With the same name, we cannot add one more method. Okay. So this is, we are duplicating the method. So in Java, it won't allow. Okay. But if I change here, like in the place of int, mm, if I change int to float, then it will accept. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. In this way, it will accept. But here, what we are doing in three, like in three methods, the method name is same, right?
Mhm.
Addition, addition, addition. Now I will write one more method. I will add here. See, I have created 4 methods with the same name. Okay.
Mhm.
What happening here? So here, these arguments are changing, right?
Yes.
Like in this addition, we have taken int. In this addition, we have taken int and float. In this addition, we have taken int and double. See, these are uh, different uh, uh, types. Okay, different argument types we have taken here, but the same name. So these methods are called as overloaded methods in Java.
Mm.
Show that.
Okay, what is meant by overloaded method? If any method name is same, like there are multiple methods with the same name, those methods are called as a overloaded methods in Java. Okay. So are you able to get it right?
Yes, Srikanth.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So you understood about overloaded methods, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Now we'll go for overriding of methods. Okay. So what is overriding and why we require overriding of methods in Java? Okay. Now, okay, this is the parent class, right? Now, now here I'm okay. So if I give one requirement to you, so can you able to help me? So if see from the main class, we are calling addition. Okay. But what I want uh, if I call addition method, then it should add if you are taking same example, if I give input 10 comma 20, then I want, so actually addition of 10 and 20 is 30, but I want addition like this. So I wanted to add 100 and then it should return like the value always, the result value always should be the 100 should be added in the result. So final output will be 330. Okay. So I wanted to call a same addition method. Listen my requirement. I wanted to do addition of two numbers, including always in the result. So whatever we do sum of two numbers, right? So in that sum, I need to additionally add 100. Then it becomes 130. Okay, this is the one example. Okay. Now, if I change this 100 and 200, then it become a 300 plus 100. It should be 400. Okay. In the same way, if I give 1000 and 1000, then it will be a 3000
2000.
and it will be a 2000, 2000 and 100. Okay. In this way, this is my requirement. Okay. I wanted to call only addition method of child class. I don't want to do any changes in parent class. Okay. The condition. I'm going to write my conditions. Okay. First condition, I don't want to change anything in addition method of parent class. Okay. You no need to touch parent class. Okay. And so that is the first condition. So you have a permission to do anything with child class. Okay. Can you help me to achieve this requirement? Can you tell me? Can you give me any suggestions how to do? Hello, Mandeep and Josna. Are you there?
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
we have to add those two numbers, and whatever the value comes, we have to store it in a object, and we have to add plus 100, some plus 100 like that.
Here you are saying?
Yep.
Okay. This is the one way. Yeah. Okay, fine. Now I will write here one more condition. We cannot modify main class method logic. Now tell me.
Okay. Oh, result 2 plus 100 we have to.
No, this is the third condition. You cannot touch this method as well. When I call this addition method, it should print like this. Then what should I do? So you have only one option, child class. So what you will do? So are you getting any idea?
Create
So
one
if you, yeah, can you think and let me know?
Yeah, we can create another object for the child class.
Okay. So what is mean by that? So we are creating one more method in child class. So why we are creating a method in child class?
No,
What are
not
the
method. It's object. We can create one more
object
object. Object of the child.
here in main class you are saying?
Yeah,
See, the condition number 3,
we can.
you cannot modify anything. But when you execute this, it should print like this in this method, okay?
Mhm,
Just forget about this one, okay? Just only focus on this child.
mhm.
Okay, now think. So you are unable to find any solution, right?
So we can create a method in the child class.
Yes, we can.
Oh,
We can do anything with child class. So what should I do? Just tell me. I will write same thing. So can we create one more addition method in child class?
yeah.
Will that work?
Yes.
See, we have child class already there and we are calling addition of child method, which is already present in parent class. Now I wanted to create, like you're saying, you wanted to create one more addition class. Is that right?
Addition method. Yeah.
Hmm?
Addition
Addition,
method.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. So can you tell me the reason behind to write this addition method? Why we are like we are getting a force to write addition method in child class? So are you getting any reason?
Because of the requirement, we have to.
Yes. Right. We have a requirement
Mhm,
in a such a way that we cannot modify existing code. If you think about your current project, right? So
mhm,
when we like get a new requirement like additional features to implement in existing project,
mhm.
so in that scenario, so this will help us a lot. Okay, now, so what was my requirement? My requirement was this one.
Mm.
So I have to do the same addition, but additionally, when I sum two numbers, I have to add 100. Okay.
Mhm.
So can you tell me what I have done here? Like, did I replaced addition method, which is already present in parent class? Is that correct? Are you getting my point? See, if if we are like instead of A, we are writing double A. What is mean by this? Are we replacing A by double A? Hello? Mandeep and Josna. Are you getting my point? If I say instead of A, I'm writing double A. What is mean by this? Hello?
So replacing of that A
Yes.
with A.
Yes, double A. Okay.
Mhm.
In the same way, what you are doing here, you have already addition method which calculates summation of two numbers.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Let me run now, then you can understand. Okay. I'm not doing anything, but I can achieve my requirement. See here.
Mhm.
See 130. See w- how it's happening. So when we extend, right, parent class,
Mhm.
so if we don't have any method in child class, it will directly go to the, like, first of all, it will search from the child class. Okay. Or what it will do, it will go, first of all, if you are extending any class, means it should first check with the parent class. So it will search for your required method. Okay.
Mhm.
We have addition method. See, first of all, it will execute this one. Then after that, it will come to the child class and it will see it is already one addition method is there. So it means we should ignore parent class addition method and we should continue with the child class. It means what Java will think, we have to replace parent class addition with the child class addition. These are nothing but overriding. Overriding addition method from parent class to child class. So we are overriding parent class of addition method in child class. Okay, we are not calling. Okay, if I comment this one,
It will take that parent one.
yeah, parent one. It will take parent one. See,
Yes.
30.
Yeah.
If again, if I write this, it won't go to the parent. It will go
Child.
to the child only.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is overriding. So we got a new functionality to add 100 into that, but we don't need to change existing logic, but we want to achieve a new requirement. So in that kind of scenario, this like inheritance will help us a lot. Okay.
That's right. Yeah.
Okay, this is the child class. Like this is the overridden method.
Trading.
Okay, and one more thing, overridden, overriding only possible where like a parent and child kind of relation, if it's there, like a parent and child relation, then only possible. If see, you have already addition method is there, then only you can able to replace that method, right?
Mm-hmm.
It means the overriding will happen only when there is a relation of inheritance. Okay, and it and overriding can possible, or overriding will happen between two different classes, like a parent class addition method and child class addition method. Okay, these two methods are in two different classes. Okay. Overriding only possible in two classes. Okay. Not in a single class. So if I say in a single class also we are writing the same methods, the toys, but these are methods are known as overload methods. Okay. If we talk about two different classes, parent and child, so those
So,
are,
override.
see, here also same addition name we have given, right? Method name is the same in two different classes. Okay. In parent class, addition method is there, and child class addition method is there. Okay. If same method with the same argument, same method name with the same argument, okay, then only the overriding will possible. Okay. But if we talk about these two methods, here same name, but different arguments. Okay. Int, float. Okay. Can you tell me the difference between overloaded and overriding?
Overloading means a method which contain the parameters different one, like
Could you come again?
a method which contains the parameters.
Okay, every method contains parameter.
With the same name with different number of parameters.
Could you come again? Could you please speak a little bit loudly?
It's a method with the same name but different number of parameters.
Different number of parameters. See, this is a
Overloaded.
parameter 1, this is parameter 2. This is 2 parameter, here 2 parameter.
But different data
Same.
types.
But different types, yeah. That's int, that's float.
Okay, fine. Yeah. Okay, those methods are called overloaded. And what are the overridden methods? What are the overriding methods? How you
It's the
will define
same method
overriding?
but different functionality.
Same method which parent and child has that inheritance. Then we can get that overriding.
Okay, when we will use overriding and when we'll use overloaded?
Overriding is used in inheritance.
Okay. And overloaded?
It can be used in inheritance as well when we need the same method, but we just need different functionality, different parameters.
Okay. So when should we go with the overloaded methods and when we should go with the overridden methods, overriding methods?
If it is a single class, we can go with the overloading. If it is
No. So if you have what kind of requirement, if I given to you, then you should choose overloaded or overriding.
yeah. Yep.
So based on the requirement, right? You should select whether you should have to go with the overriding of methods or you have to go with the overloaded method. See, what is the requirement here? Why should I have added this many things? So what was my requirement to do this code? Can you tell me?
To show different types of methods which we can be overload in the class.
So what I'm achieving here, can you tell me with this overloaded methods, what I'm achieving? Can you tell me like I'm doing addition of two numbers, 2 numbers, 3 numbers. What I'm achieving? Okay. See, overloaded method will helps a lot to the developer. Okay. I don't need to remember 100 method names. Okay. Addition means addition only, whether it's a summation of 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, or 100 numbers. Okay, so whatever you are doing, summing means you are adding them, right? More than 2 numbers. Okay, so this kind of requirement we are achieving this with the overloaded methods. Okay, same name with the many forms or many parameters or many arguments. Same name, many forms. Many forms means many methods. See here. Same name, same name, same name, same name. But many methods, many forms. Okay. These are nothing but polymorphism in Java. Okay. Now, so it will it will solve our confusions in Java actually. Okay. Now see system. If I write like this, so see how much problems will comes up. See, if I don't use this overloaded, if I'm not using overloaded method means, see, I will write the same methods here. What I will do? Addition of 2 int. Okay. Now addition of 1 int and float. Addition of 1 int and 1 double. Addition of 3 int. See, now you have to remember this many method names. You have to remember addition of 2 int. You have to remember addition of 1 int and 1 float. Addition of 1 int and 1 double. Okay. Addition of 3 int. If I write in the same way, okay, like up to 100 methods I'm writing. Okay. Like a combination of 2 int, 2 float, combination of 2 double, 1 int, combination of 5 double, 3 float, 3 int. Like a combination of 100 int, 100 float, 100 double. So in that way, I have to write a method names like 1,000 times and million times. So that many combination we have. Okay. So for that, you have to create every new name for the method. But if you use this method, like a overloaded method, the name will be same. Okay. Now I will tell you the difference between these methods and these methods. Okay. See the difference. You will understand. This out. Okay. Now first I will go with the first overloaded method, addition. Okay. Child dot addition. Okay. I'm not seeing whether it is int, whether it is float, whether it is double, etc., etc. Okay. I'm closing my eyes. I'm typing 34, 56.8. Okay. blindly writing, okay? Anything. Int I have given now 36, 45. Now I'm writing like 3.4. Actually, this method is not present. Okay. Now I'm writing 5.5, 4.5. This method's already not there. Let me create float. Okay. See, so time is here.
You have to save it.
Okay. Okay. So this is the overloaded method. Simply what I just I remember name of the method only. I didn't remember like the sequence of the arguments. Okay, whether first is a int or float, first is double or second is int, or first is float or second is int, or both are int or both are float or both are double. So I have not remembered those things in overloaded method. So it reduced me a lot of confusions and efforts. Okay, now I'm going with the traditional way of addition. Okay, those are these methods. Okay, now I will add float as well. Okay, now first of all I have to remember these names. Let me copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I have to remember these names. Then I have to go here. Okay, now child class reference dot see addition of 2 int. Okay, I have to pass 2 int in this. Okay, if I forget to pass 2 int, if I pass like this, it will give error. See, it will give error. But in the same, if I see in this method, if I forgot and I wanted to add same I will write here. See, same I will copy paste here. It will take, sorry, ff we have added, right? See, f okay. It's taking 2 int. Sorry, I didn't change the number, right? This is the float. Now it will give the error. Okay, see, the same I copied and I'm pasting in this method, it won't give error. If I paste here, it won't give error. If I paste here also, it won't give error. Okay, because it will dynamically adjust. Okay, based on these types, it will call appropriate method from the child class, sorry, in the parent class. So it will select based on the type. So if you like, you don't need to remember any sequence. If you wants to add one float, sorry, if you wants to add one int and float, or if you wants to add both float, or if you wants to add like a one float, one int, that also possible. Okay. So I don't need to remember here. See, I removed. See, now 23, I removed it, but still working. Now I have written two float, it's working. Now I have written two int, still it is working. But that's not possible with these methods. So strictly, you have to pass two int only. Okay, just pass two int. Then only the error will go away. Now addition of int and float. Okay, one int, second is float. Okay, if you won't pass f, then it will treat as a both are int only. One sec. Yeah. See, if I change anything here, it will give error. If I change anything here, it will do error. It will give error. So this kind of problems will comes to the developers, and it will like irritate our mind. Okay, that's why we have overloaded methods to simplify our logic and to achieve our requirement. So that's why we use overloaded and overriding methods. I hope you understood the concept of overriding and overloading.
Yes, Shrikant.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's meet tomorrow. Can I send you this code? So
Please.
Yeah, sure.
in the group, can I share this one? How can I do?
Priya, are you there?
Yeah, yes, Shrikant, you can share on group. I will share to them.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, can you also please send me the recording?
Yes, Mandip, are you saying something?
Yeah, I was just saying if you can please send the recording as well.
Yeah, sure, I'll share.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Shrikant.